right, hello everybody. Thank you for joining. I am Riley with the T Storm Chasers, and we're going to take a look at your forecast. But before we do, here is a brief word from our sponsors at Cube Portable Storage.
What are you doing?
Decluttering?
Moving? Remodeling? In need of temporary storage, emergency cleanup, or just need to declutter? Cube Portable Storage has the perfect solution. Rent your Cube Portable Storage container today.
And don't forget, they got roll-off dumpsters for the other stuff. Call Cube Storage for all your moving needs.
All right, so as we jump into it here, let's take a look at the current conditions. That snow that we had yesterday, last night, and into this morning has gone away. So we're looking at clear skies now. Temperatures right now 18 degrees in Sioux Falls currently, so a little cooler out there this afternoon. 25 down in Sioux City, 21 in Chamberlain, and then down in Iowa, 20s and low 30s can be found, 30 degrees in Des Moines, and then down in Nebraska, temps in the 20s to low 30s. Then up in western South Dakota, we got temps in the single digits up near Buffalo, 7 degrees. Then we got 19 in Rapid City, and we got 14 in Faith. Temps are in the teens. As well, up in northeastern South Dakota, 10 degrees in Aberdeen, 12 in Mulbridge, 9 degrees in Watertown, and 3 degrees up here near the Britain area. So that is very cold. And so that is the latest there. Again, that snow that we had has gone away, so we don't have to deal with that anymore, at least for the time being. We will watch for our next snow system early next week. We'll get into that here in just a moment. But first, let's go ahead and show you the latest model run. We're going to do the HRRR model to give you guys an idea of what to expect here over the next day or two, and then we'll go a little bit longer range here for you guys. Alright, so as we run this out, we do have that high pressure that is over us now, and again, that snow off into Wisconsin and off that direction. So if we play this out here tonight, again, clear skies out there. Now as we do go into tomorrow, there will be some snow showers down in Nebraska. Could sneak up in southwestern South Dakota, but looks like it's mainly going to be down into Nebraska there. And then for tomorrow, there could be some snow showers kind of down near the Yankton area. Could be some snow showers, but that would be about it. Down in Nebraska is mainly where that snow is going to be if that plays out. Now, tomorrow evening, there could be some snow showers out west near the Rapid City area. So we'll see what happens on that. And then as we get towards Monday, we will have some snow showers again popping up in the Sioux Falls area and points west and points east. So kind of near from Winter to Chamberlain, Mitchell, Sioux Falls, and then over into northwest Iowa. So that is the latest there. Now if we go ahead and show a little bit longer range forecast here, let me go ahead and let's go ahead and run this out here. And so as we play it out here, tomorrow again, there could be some snow showers again down in Nebraska. And then for Monday, this is Monday the 11th, or Monday the 10th. There is some snow showers here, southeastern South Dakota, northeast Nebraska, northwest Iowa, and southwest Minnesota. So that is on Monday, and then that'll clear out quickly. And then for your day on Tuesday, high pressure builds in again, and looks like things will be clearing out again. And then on Wednesday, however, we will watch another system coming in. It looks like as of right now, the models are showing that it mainly is going to be focused south of us, down in Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, and points east. So it does look like Sioux Falls area will be kind of avoiding this to the south. That is taking us out to Wednesday, the 12th. And then Thursday looks quiet. Friday looks quiet. However, there could be some snow showers here up in central northern Minnesota. That could impact northeastern corner of South Dakota. We'll watch that very closely. But that's a very slight chance there. And then after that, we'll see what happens. But it's a little more bleak after that. We could see Sunday night. There could be some more snow showers that taking us out. That's 8 days out. So really take that with a grain of salt at this point. That's still quite a ways out. That is what we're seeing here. That is the latest. So again, to recap what we just saw, again, we got that next snow chance coming in on Monday for the Sioux Falls area. Again, it's not going to be looking like a huge event. There could be, there's going to be some snow around, but we're not really looking at any serious accumulations at this point. We'll get to that a little later too. And then possibly Wednesday for for Nebraska, Iowa, and possibly Sioux Falls, but mainly going to be south of Sioux Falls, it looks like right now. So that is what we're looking at. And then after that, we'll see what happens. Again, there could be some snow showers again Friday night, but really that's a very slight chance at this point. So that is what we're seeing. That is the latest there according to the European model for some snow. Now let's go ahead and show the totals, what we're looking at here. Alright, so real quick here, we're going to show you guys the latest snow totals over the last 24 hours in our area. Let's go ahead and start us off here with the Sioux Falls area. Sioux Falls area got anywhere from 2.5 inches to 3.5 inches across the Sioux Falls area. 3 inches on the southwest side of town, 3 inches on the north side of town, 2.5 inches on the east side of town. Then over here by Rowena, there was 3.5 inches of snow that fell. And then if you go up north, kind of about the same. 3 inches kind of up near Nunda, and then up towards Brookings, about 2 to 3 inches up there, 2 to 3 inches up in Watertown. Just kind of what we're seeing here, the theme here. Up in the Aberdeen area, 3 inches as well. And then I will say up here in north central South Dakota, looks like got the most snow. Looks like up near the Harriet area, got 9.5 inches of snow. So that is obviously quite a lot. And then up in southern North Dakota, looks like got the heaviest snow. We got 10.5 inches up there. And then out west in western South Dakota, not a whole lot. Anywhere from a trace to 1.5 inches. Looks like there was one spot here down near Custer, 2 inches of snow, and then down here in near Kyle there was 4 inches of snow. So that is the latest there. So for those of you wondering, how much Sioux Falls got, they got about 3 inches in total. So so that this was actually our biggest snowfall of the year, believe it or not. We have not had hardly any snow this winter, as you guys are well aware, I'm sure. We haven't had hardly any snow, and this is definitely the biggest snowfall event that we've had this winter season. And it's crazy, we're almost in mid-February, so that is quite interesting to say the least. So that is the latest there. I just wanted to show you guys that. Now I will show here future estimated snowfall totals coming up here. We're going to put it out to up to a week out, and to kind of forecast what you can expect for any future snowfall. Let's go ahead and show that here. Alright, so as we take a look here at what you're seeing on the screen, this is the future total snowfall estimates based on the European model. This is taking us out between now and a week from now, kind of in between that time frame, what you can expect for snow. Now for out in western South Dakota, minimal snow is expected, not really looking at anything, just under 1 inch across the board. Same with northeastern South Dakota. But then once we get towards eastern and southeastern South Dakota, we will have a little bit of snow. We're talking 1 to 2 inches of snow. Additionally, from what we just saw today. And then there will be some higher amounts down in Nebraska, where 2 to 4 inches looks to be expected down in central and eastern Nebraska, and then down in Iowa as well. So that is the latest there. Again, about 2 inches is expected in the Sioux Falls area between now and next weekend. So that is the latest there. Let's go ahead now and briefly show you guys the temperature forecast over the next several days. All right, so as we run this out here, tomorrow we got temps going to be near 20 in Sioux Falls. We got single digits up in north central South Dakota, and then down in Nebraska, low 30s can be found, and then in Iowa it will be in the 20s. And then for your day on Monday, we will have colder temps, that Arctic air coming south here towards us. It's going to be cooler. We're going to have 11 degrees, looks like, in Sioux Falls. We got single digits out in western South Dakota, and then up in northeastern South Dakota below 0. And then down in Iowa and Nebraska will be in the low 30s. And then for Tuesday, even colder. We got below 0 in Sioux Falls. So, if that plays out, we're looking at some pretty cold air coming our way. Negatives up in northeastern South Dakota as well, and near 10 out in Rapid, and then teens down south. I mean, all the way down to the Kansas-Nebraska border. So looking at very cold air. And then for Wednesday, single digits once again in our area there. 8 degrees in Sioux Falls, -3 up in Aberdeen, very cold. And then teens in Nebraska and Iowa. Now if we look towards next Thursday, we're not seeing any kind of warm up anytime soon. We're just going to be stuck in this cold air. 0 degrees in Sioux Falls. We got low 20s out in western South Dakota. Temps will be in the single digits up north and northeastern South Dakota, and below 0 down in Iowa. And then next Friday, we might finally start to warm up a little bit. Near 20 in Sioux Falls, 20s out in western South Dakota, and then 20s down in Nebraska. And then once we get towards Saturday, we're not really seeing a warm-up. We're still not seeing any kind of a warm-up. Temps will be stuck in the teens, and single digits up in northeastern South Dakota. So lastly here, let's go ahead and wrap things up. So that is the latest here. Again, just recapping, our next chances for some snow is again on Monday, and possibly on Wednesday, northeastern South Dakota, and then possibly next weekend there could be another little system. But at this point, all of our snow chances at this point are fairly low. Not expecting any big snow events or any big time, just big systems. Not really seeing that, at least not as of right now. And so that is the latest here. Again, continue to follow us on all of our social media profiles. We got Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and YouTube. And we do have that 24-hour live stream that continues here. That's on YouTube. Give you guys the latest up-to-date weather information. So that is the latest here. Have a great weekend out there, and stay safe.